Hey guys, I'm Simulator Tech, and today I'll be building this Ivory Cream Zoom65 V2. I have a review of this board on my channel, so this is purely a build video. Also, if you're interested in any of the parts used in the video, I have an affiliate link to Meltrix's website which helps me at no extra cost to you. Here's the PCB. I'm using Wuche V3 stabs which have been lubed with 205G0. Since this board has flex cuts on the PCB, I covered them with a layer of painter's tape to hopefully improve the sound. Many people recommend using tungsten or unwipe tape, but I find that painter's tape works pretty well too. For this build, I'll be using only the plate foam. I will be using the polycarbonate plate as well. I've tried a foamed out configuration for this board in the past, and it sounded really good, so I want to see how it sounds without the PE foam. For switches, I'll be using the Wuche Studio Red switches. These feature a nylon top and bottom housing, a long pole palm stem, and a 67-gram double-stage spring for that snappy feel. They're also factory lubed, and in my experience, Wuche Studio switches tend to have really good factory lube applications. Personally, I don't think it's worth hand lubing them, so I will be running them stock. Inside the bottom case, I won't be using any foams, but I will use the internal steel weight for added heft. Next, I'll reinstall all the screws. For keycaps, I'll be using the Wuche Studio Basic Red Keycaps. They come in this really nice packaging which I always appreciate. These keycaps are cherry profile, double shot PBT, and they feel quite nice. The legends are very crisp and they're pretty thick too, so overall I'm really pleased with the quality of these caps. This set comes in an alternate white key for some modifiers, but I opted to use all white on red keycaps for a more uniform look. Wow, this board came out looking really good. I know you can't see it, but I like how the switches match the keycaps, and overall, the whole build really works well together. Alright, obviously if you're watching this video, the sound test is what you really care about, so let's go ahead and take a listen.